In this video, we're going to show you how to fold a shirt in under 4 seconds. So, what we need to do is this. We imagine a line which cuts the shirt in half from right to left. Then we imagine another line in the final quarter of the shirt, which runs from bottom to top. Now, at the very top here, let's call this point A. In the middle, where the lines intersect, we'll call this B. And at the very bottom here, we'll call this point C. So what we do is we take point A with our right hand, point B with our left, pull A down to C, we take C there, and then we pull up the shirt. And then we use the table to do the final part to the fold. Now this technique can be used for any type of shirt, t-shirt, polo neck or jumper. But let's take a moment now to appreciate our very own Ed Watson's impressive array of t-shirts.